This video marks the death of the bubble mailer market. Whether it's Jiffies, Feather Post, Mail Lights or Aerofoil, there's never before today's day been a lower cost alternative, and that is the only reason why people are stuck with these as the main choice for odds and sods and randomly sized tools, components and parts. In fact, our 2008 invention, the little envelope, did its job in really converting Amazon, other major internet retailers that were doing CDs, DVDs, games, books onto a sustainable alternative. But that always cost a percentage extra, whether it be 20%, 40% extra. And the little mailer, the invention of this product in May 2023, is the end of this market now, the bubble mailer market. The only reason people have stuck with something that's never been recycled unless somebody separates the plastic from within the bag, and nobody does that, has always been the lowest cost choice until now. So these you can buy online for 8p, maybe 9p. These on littlepackaging.com available at 7.7p. We'll always be making sure it is price matched to the same or lower than the unsustainable choice. So there is no reason anymore anyone should use a bubble mailer. So RIP bubble mailers, your history